Assalamualaikum everyone. Peace be upon you all. Welcome back to my channel, HYDERABADI Cook in Canada. Today we'll be making dum ka chicken. For this recipe, you will need approximately 10 to 12 chicken drumsticks, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 cup of cashews, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of mint and coriander chutney, 1 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of green chili paste, 2 tablespoons of red chili paste, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 cup of oil, 3 tomatoes, a bunch of curry leaves, a bunch of coriander, and 1 lime, a few cinnamon sticks, a few cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon of shahi zira, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, a few cloves, and 1 pinch of turmeric. First, grind the cashews. After the cashews are grinded, it's time to grind the spices. Now, we have to grind the shahi zira, cinnamon sticks, and cardamom pods. After we grind the spices, next, we grind the tomatoes. In a bowl, add yogurt, then add ginger garlic paste, add green chili paste, add green chutney, add tomato ketchup, add soy sauce, and add salt, chili powder, and turmeric. Then we add our ground up cashews and spices. Then add the tomato puree. Mix well. Add 2 to 3 pinches of red food coloring. Mix well. Wow, smells delicious. Also add the red chili paste and mix well. Now to a pan, add the chicken and squeeze the juice of the lime. Now add the mixture to the chicken. Mix well. Also add half a cup of water. Mix it all together. Next, to the chicken, add half a cup of oil. Let the chicken marinate for about half an hour. After the chicken is marinated for 30 minutes, put it on the stove on medium heat for about 15 minutes to cook. After 15 minutes, add curry leaves and coriander to the chicken. Let the chicken cook for about 5 more minutes. Now, dum ka chicken is ready to be served. It is best served hot with naan on the side. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys liked our recipe on how to make restaurant-style Hyderabadi dum ka chicken. I really hope you guys try it out, and please leave comments down below on what you would like to see on our channel next. We would love to hear your suggestions. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!